We'll guide you through how to enable read receipts in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gmail account on your desktop. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the Settings menu. Then select See All Settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab, where you'll find various experimental features that can be enabled. Scroll until you find the Read Receipts feature. If this option is available, you can enable it by clicking Enable. Then make sure to save your changes by hitting the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This will reload your Gmail interface, applying the new settings. Now, when you compose a new email, you'll have the option to request a read receipt by clicking on the three dots in the lower right corner of the Compose window. Select Request Read Receipt before sending the email. Keep in mind that the availability of this feature might vary depending on your Gmail account type, as it's typically available for Google Workspace accounts. If you're using a regular Gmail account and don't see this option, it might not be supported. In that case, consider using third-party extensions that offer similar functionality. Always keep privacy considerations in mind, as not everyone is comfortable with sending read receipts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.